Talafalava. When we speak in any language, there's usually a target for our action. Where are you going? Ile fale oloa, or to the store. Where are you coming from? O te sao mai le fale, from the house. Who do you think you're talking to? O te tau tala atu ya te oe, I'm talking to you. If you've seen the noun videos, you might notice that these look a lot like noun phrases. They are. A target phrase is just a noun phrase that begins with the target word. Some people call those prepositions. If you remember, noun phrases start with the O. Target words or prepositions vary by the kind of noun that the target is. If your target is to the store, instead of o le fale oloa, it's I le fale oloa. If you're coming from your house, instead of o le fale, it's mai le fale. And if your target is a person, instead of saying o oe or you, we'd say ya te oe, or to you. So if you already know your Samoan noun phrase structure, then you only need to know the different types of target words or prepositions to begin your target phrase. Noun phrase, action phrase, target phrase. Those are the three main phrases of our language that we talked about in the last few videos. If you want to practice with others and learn more in depth, you know where to find us.